Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am here to welcome our honorable chief guest. Almost all the guests are very special for me today, and but I would like to mention few of them. But please do not mind if I forget to mention anybody, please. And everyone is here, chief guest to me today. My mom, principal of Houses College International School, and former director of education Gampaha, Mrs. Harufa sir, and staff and I guess principal, director, vice principals of Harbi College and staff is also here. I welcome all of you and all the parents who are here to support us today, and all our family members, my side, my husband's side, my in-laws, all of them are people of Aligarh Mahavidyalaya, and some of the staff of Aligarh Mahavidyalaya is also here. I welcome everyone on behalf of Millennium Institute. Right? It's an opening. It's a start. It's a beginning of what do I say? Okay, I'll say it later. But okay. So right. I would like to say that more about this I'll talk later, I guess. I should not speak only good about ourselves at the moment, isn't it? So we go further, we make people to talk good about us, and I think that will be better. Right. So first of all, I would like to start with the Qiraat by Master Hunayn. Right, please.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
Just a small introduction by my mom, actually, Mrs. Nafisa Nanim, principal of Houses College International. Actually, she is not well, so I don't know whether she'll be able to speak. But because I insisted, so she came.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear me. Can you hear me? Actually, I started a research on this school, how to teach the school, how to teach the children, the small children, to research on this method of research, not the actually aim. I have a wide experience on teaching because I research all. I have a school in Pakistan and 17 years I have been teaching there. And 17 years I have brought the children up, and the way I have brought, I am sure they are satisfied. Today, last 2-3 years back, I went back to Pakistan. And to see, there are doctors, engineers from my students. And they came to meet me and they were very happy to see me and all. And they really wanted me to start the school there. But after all, I have started a school here, and my main aim is to get the children of Sri Lanka, the Muslim children of Sri Lanka, to such a standard so that the Muslim children, so that they can, when I see the Muslims going down, actually, the others coming up, the others are searching my school and coming from very far to get a good education. But here, when I see the children, especially the Muslims, who are, mainly looking for the show and they are mainly looking for this, they are thinking, I don't know, the British way of education or whatever it is. What they are looking for, actually, I don't understand. But mainly the education, what we are going to. I'm sure you will get a result. We are aiming for a result-oriented education, where the children are able to speak English, where the children are able to go forward. They are motivated to leadership, and where they can show their talents anywhere. So normally, where I have O levels in my school is in Panjshir, but I started in a very small way because I had come from Pakistan. I have a school in Pakistan, and here the parents are all, especially the Muslims, they think that they put to a nice big school and think they are getting the maximum. Actually, after that only they will understand what they are getting. They don't know what they are getting. They are putting on behalf, they are thinking they are the show, they are giving the best. But once child goes there only, they will understand what's the difference between us and them. So main thing is, now my daughter was along with me from the start here. We came here, she was doing her A-levels, as well as doing her A-levels, she was helping me in my school. So she knows the start, the way, the beginning. So I have told her so many times, why don't you start in Khalilya? But she's saying people are going to show and all that. I said, it's never mind the show. You do your best. Just as we are doing our best, so that the children may come up. We are doing our best. You will see what's the difference. Difference is, the main thing is we want the parents' cooperation. Without the parents' cooperation, we can't do it. A child to become something, we need the parents' cooperation. From the start, I believe that we have the latest, research says that 5 years, within 5 years, there is 85% brain development. So why not catch it? Why not catch the brain development within these 5 years? So, but the people are saying too small, the children are too small to study and all. But we have proved that children are not too small to study. Nowadays, the children are picking up very fast and very fast indeed. You can come and see the papers our children are doing. 4 years children, 5 years children, 3.5 years children, 3 years children. MashaAllah, they are doing very well. One example you can see our own children. So our own children, we are not let them also go like that. But prove, you can. You can do it and we will do it. The main thing is that my daughter has been with me and she has the confidence to do it. You should have the confidence. I can and I must do it. So she has the confidence which we have. We actually telling we came here with the idea of starting a school and we started in a small way. We didn't start in a big way. So we started in a small way. Today I have more than 200 children in my school and I have my own building. Actually when I came I had nothing. So now with my own effort and my daughter was with me along with this and I'm sure she can, what she wants to do she can do. And we have our own method of teaching. AMI also she has, but she feels that our method is better than that. Because according to the nursery, whatever they have studied, it's only for 6 months. Mainly they are putting the children to go through the plays and all that they want to play about. But that is normally at home they are playing full. Here only 3 hours they are with us. So why not spend the time studying also and enjoying also? They can do both together. So like that, so if the parents, I'm sure if the parents cooperate with my daughter, she can bring the school, the children's education to up to such a standard, so that the children will be able to go on their own. Now a lot of children just put for nursery because they can't afford it. Once they put a child for the nursery here, after they do the nursery, they can't afford to do grade 1, 2 and all, they put to government school. But there, our children are the best there. They come first and they keep their positions there. So they bring the other children in order to do the nursery here so that the children will catch up. So that is what we are doing. If you all can continue, you all can continue, but I'm sure those who can't manage even they can put the nursery here. And I'm sure my daughter will do much better than me because she's young. Because my youngster was spent in Pakistan to bring those children up. MashaAllah, they have become doctors, engineers and everyone. So the youth is more important, that she can spend her vitality in that, and we are and I'm sure y'all won't regret putting your children into this school. Later you will, thank me and also my daughter. So I hope she will carry on very well, and of course I'm sure she has more confidence than me here, and we have the confidence to do. She has been with me from the start. She knows the way, and really she has come here, and I miss her from my school. Miss her very much. Because she has been the backbone of my family. For me. Thank you very much.
Now there is small, just a brief speech by Mrs. Faridam Jamil, Principal of Arabic College.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. நான் ஆரம்பத்தில் சொல்லிக் கொள்கிறேன், சிறிதாக நானும் இந்த பாலகர் போல வளர வேண்டும் என்ற ஒரு அவாவினால் உங்களோடு சிறிது ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேச வேண்டும் என்று ஆயத்தப்படுகின்றேன். இந்த சிறிய நிறுவனத்தில் எத்துறையில் இந்த சமூகத்தை முன்னேற்ற முடியுமோ, நாம் இழந்த இழப்புகளை எவ்வாறு இந்த கல்லலியா மண்ணில் ஈடு செய்ய முடியுமோ, அந்த ஒரு பரோபகார all a very pleasant day. I deem in an honor to address this gathering today, and I thank Almighty Allah for granting me this golden opportunity to speak a few words on this remarkable occasion. I warmly welcome all those who have assembled here, honorable ladies and gentlemen, learned persons, parents, devoted villagers and well-wishers. It's my great pleasure and pride to say Ahlan wa sahlan, Jazakumullah khairan. May Almighty Allah grant you all more strength and vigor and enable to you show a greater interest in the curricular and extracurricular activities of our little ones. Your blessing upon them would indeed pave the way for their bright future. As you all know, that is with great pleasure, dedication, devotion and sincerity that we have inaugurated preschool in the favor of our tiny tots, blooming buds in our village. Inshallah, they are going to be fruitful and beautiful flowers in our garden of wisdom, Alhamdulillah. The members of our staff are indeed responsible, talented and efficient group of members, always willing to extend their cooperation in the welfare and progress of our society. So, let us, without any reluctant discharge of our duties to the entire satisfaction of our parents and to the best of our knowledge. As members of this preschool, our noble ideas will be successful, and it goes without any saying that the future of these blooming buds, inshallah, would definitely be rewarded by Allah. Hence, our efforts will not be in vain. On behalf of our Millennium Preschool, I assure and assume you that the entire responsibility of molding the character of the tender minds would be the fundamental aim of our teachers. So, let us enable them to their level best in the interest of our loved ones. A special word of thanks need to be mentioned here about Hajiani Nisriya Nalim, who has been behind the scene. Outstanding individual born to a well-educated family, and all thrown around here are those who have inspired her and encouraged her to reach the heights of success in all spheres. the educational arena, she arises from in praiseworthy. Born in a well-educated family and occupying an important place in society, she has established her well and has placed her in the highest esteem, Alhamdulillah. The beacon of light, our elder sister, Mrs. Muhita Ismail, whose main objective was to pave the way for our little children and impart sound knowledge to them. It at last realized as a deep dream is a loss, being great loss to us, but the dream is a reality today. May she attain Jannatul Firdaus. The origin of a laying firm foundation was laid firstly by dedicated and a devotional iron lady, our mother, Mrs. Ashrafa Salih, who should be become commended and the credit bestowed to her, being solely involved in imparting knowledge to the younger generation. The proverb was, without saying, the first mother of any child in the inheritance of our parents. Therefore, we radiate all other ways and means of education, every atmosphere through the teacher, our first mother. I would also take privilege to mention a very important person here who, in spite of this old age, always encouraged his children with useful ideas and showed great concern about them. Therefore, I congratulate Al-Haj Mr. Wafa, my brother-in-law, for these efforts. Next, I congratulate wholeheartedly my ever-loving sister, Saidia Wafa, who has shown a great interest and has rendered fullest cooperation and given a helping hand to make this endeavor a reality. Her son Shahidul Rahman and her daughter-in-law, Mrs. Ambar Nalim, who needs be to specially mention for their untiring efforts and the greatest encouragement extended to the victory of the inaugural ceremony of the millennium for the benefit of everyone here. I will be failing in my duty. I don't express my gratitude to the parents who have entrusted their kids in our hands. May Almighty Allah bless everyone who has sacrificed their time and energy in favor of this noble event. Last but not least, let me extend my heartfelt gratitude from the bottom of my heart of sacrificing their valuable time and in spite of their busy schedule.
பங்குதாரர்களான மிஸ்டர் அண்ட் மிஸ்ஸஸ் சைதுர் ரஹ்மான் தம்பதியினரே, இங்கு சமூகம் அளித்திருக்கும் எனது மாணவிகள், அதாவது இன்றைய பெற்றோர்கள் மற்றும் ஆசிரியர்கள், அபிமானிகள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது அன்பின் உண்மையில் கல்லலியா கிராமத்தை பொறுத்தவரையில் மிக முக்கியமான ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கின்றது. அதாவது கல்லலி வாழ் பெற்றோருக்கு மிகவும் ஒரு அரிய சந்தர்ப்பம் என்று கூட கூறலாம். அதாவது சின்னஞ்சிறு சிறார்களை வெளியூர்களுக்கு அனுப்பி ஆரம்ப கல்வி, அதாவது ஆங்கில மொழியிலான ஆரம்ப கல்வியை பெற்று வந்த பெற்றோர்களுக்கு இது உண்மையிலேயே ஒரு பெரிய வரப்பிரசாதமாக இருக்கின்றது. எமது கல்லலியாவை பொறுத்தவரையில் எல்லா விதமான வசதிகளும் நிரம்ப பெற்ற ஒரு ஊர் என்றுதான் நாங்கள் கூறிக்கொள்கிறோம். உண்மையில் அது எங்கள் சொந்த ஊர் என்றபடினாலோ என்னமோ தெரியாது, எங்களால் ஒரு குறையும் காண முடியாத அளவுக்கு எல்லா வசதிகளும் நிரம்ப பெற்றிருந்தது. இருந்த ஒரே ஒரு குறையாக ஆங்கில மொழியிலான ஆரம்ப பாடசாலை ஒன்று இல்லாமல் இருந்ததை நாங்கள் கண்கூடாக கண்டோம். அந்த குறையை நீக்குமுகமாக இன்று இந்த தம்பதியினர் அவர்களது இந்த குடும்ப சகலரதும், அதாவது ஒரு சிறந்த கல்வி சூழலில் கல்வி பின்னணியுள்ள சிறந்த ஒரு குடும்ப பின்னணியை கொண்ட இந்த போயகல என்று கூற வேண்டும். இந்த போயகல பின்னணியை கொண்ட இந்த இடத்தில் இப்படியான ஒரு கல்விக்கூடம் ஒன்றை நிறுவுவது உண்மையிலே மகத்தான ஒரு செய்தி, மிகவும் வரவேற்கக்கூடிய ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சியாக காணப்படுகின்றது. அதாவது ஆங்கிலம் என்பது உண்மையிலே ஏற்கனவே பேசிய அரபிக் கல்லூரி அதிபர் அவர்கள் கூறியதைப் போல நாங்கள் சின்ன வயதில் எங்களது சின்ன பருவத்தில், அதாவது 70-80களில் இப்படியான ஒரு அமைப்பை காண எங்களால் முடியவில்லை. ஆனால் தற்பொழுது அப்படியல்ல. இப்பொழுது நாங்கள் பார்த்தால் உலகம் சுருங்கி விட்டது என்று கூறுகிறோம். அதாவது எல்லா வகையிலும் தொழில்நுட்பம், கல்வி எல்லாவற்றிலும் சிறப்பாக இயங்கக்கூடிய இந்த காலத்தில் ஆங்கில கல்வி மிகவும் முக்கியமான ஒன்றாக இருக்கின்றது. ஆங்கில கல்வி இப்பொழுது மிகவும் உயர்கல்வியை தொடரக்கூடிய மாணவர்கள் மிகவும் சிரமப்படுகிறார்கள். எனவே அந்த குறையை நீக்கும் முகமாக இந்த சிறு வயதிலிருந்தே இந்த சின்னஞ்சிறு பிராயத்திலே அவர்களுக்கு அந்த ஆங்கில மொழியிலான கல்வியை போட்டுவது மிகவும் சிறப்பான ஒன்று. இந்த சின்னஞ்சிறார்கள், அதாவது தாயின் மடியிலிருந்து நேராகவே உங்களிடம் ஒப்படைக்கப்பட்ட பிள்ளைகள். இந்த பிள்ளைகள் மொட்டுக்கள். இந்த மொட்டுக்களை மலர வைக்கும் பொறுப்பு இந்த பாடசாலை ஆசிரியரின் கையில் தான் தங்கியிருக்கின்றது. இது பல முறை நாம் பல சந்தர்ப்பங்களில் பல கூட்டங்களில் இதை பற்றியும் கதைத்திருக்கிறேன். அதாவது ஏனென்றால் முக்கியமாக பாடசாலை ஆசிரியர்கள் தான் இந்த களிமண்ணை பிசைந்து சிற்பிகளாக அவர்களை எதிர்கால சிறந்த சந்ததியினராக உருவாக்கக்கூடியவர்கள். எனினும் அதிலும் கூட இவர்கள் ஆங்கில மொழியில் இந்த பிள்ளைகளுக்கான கல்வியை கற்பித்து எதிர்காலத்தில் அவர்களை ஒரு சிறந்த பிரஜையாக மாற்றக்கூடிய ஒரு வல்லமையை பெற்றிருக்கின்றார்கள். உண்மையில் இது நாங்கள் ஏற்று மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறோம். ஏனென்றால் இந்த போயகளை இவர்கள் யாவரும் எமதும் சொந்தக்காரர்கள், எமது ஆசிரியர் வஃபா ஆசிரியர் அவர்கள். எனவே இந்த சூழலில் இப்படியான ஒரு இடத்தில் இந்த கல்விக்கூடம் அமைவதை நாங்கள் பெரிதும் வரவேற்கின்றோம். உண்மையில் நான் மனவருத்தம் அடைகின்றேன். எனக்கு ஒரு சிறு பிள்ளை இல்லை. இந்த கல்விச்சாலையிலே கல்வி கற்பிப்பதற்கு அனுப்பக்கூடிய வாய்ப்பு இல்லை என்றாலும் எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவன் கிருபை செய்ய வேண்டும். இனிமேல் வரக்கூடிய காலங்களிலாவது எங்கள் பிள்ளைகளை, எங்கள் பேரன் பேத்திகளையாவது இப்படியான பாடசாலையில் கொண்டு வந்து கற்பித்து ஆங்கில கல்வியை ஆரம்பம் தொட்டே துவங்கி கொண்டு போக வேண்டும் என்ற ஒரு ஆசை, ஒரு வேணவா மனதுக்குள் இருந்தாலும் இப்படியான ஒரு சந்தர்ப்பம் அதுக்கு அமைவது மிகவும் சிறப்பாக இருக்கும் என்று கூறி இன்று ஆரம்பித்த இந்த கல்விக்கூடத்தை பற்றி எம்மால் ஒரு விமர்சனமும் சொல்ல முடியாது. இன்றுதான் ஆரம்பிக்கப்பட்டது என்றாலும் கூட இது மென்மேலும் வளர வேண்டும், சிறப்படைய வேண்டும். இதற்கு மென்மேலும் மாணவ மாணவிகள், அதாவது சின்னம் பிஞ்சுகள் வந்து சேர வேண்டும். ஒரு சிறப்பான பாடசாலையாக இந்த மிலேனியம் இன்டர்நேஷனல் கூறக்கூடிய இந்த பாடசாலை எதிர்காலத்தில் பல வகுப்புகளையும் அமைத்து ஒரு சிறந்த ஆங்கில பாடசாலையாக மிளிர வேண்டும் என்று எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவனிடம் கேட்டு விடைபெறுகிறேன்.
Small speeches by these tiny ones, and then we can inshallah finish the program. not the tiny ones. First, I'd like to call one of the class students to tell her poem. Sadha, please come. Yay. Come.
Your turn. Time to write.
Why don't you buy one ices? Cold ices. Stop me and buy one.
Yay.
Two little big goes step, step, step. Two little eyes are one white. One little head goes side to side.
A great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by glorifying Almighty Allah for making today's occasion a resounding success. Alhamdulillah. First and foremost, I thank our special guests who, despite their busy schedule, found time to grace this occasion. I also thank our well-wishers, our elders especially, for their valuable contribution, guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. And I thank all the distinguished invitees present here accepting our invitation. Finally, I end with this thought. One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. Once again, I thank you all for your attendance. Jazakumullah khairan.
How are you, Nashka? I'm fine. Yay! I'm fine. I'm fine. I hope that you are too. Looking through the window, who do I see? It's Zara through the window, waving to me. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I hope that you are too. How are you, Zara? Nashka, pass to Zara. Yay! Zara, pass to Mariam. Yay! Mariam, pass it back to me. Mariam, it's okay, pass it back. Now we are going to sing songs. We are going to do other ones. Hey! Ball goes away. Okay. Come, Ahil. Come here. Come and join the circle, please. Everyone sit in the circle.